All right, y'all, we're back on the lake. I forgot the mic, so it might sound a little crazy, but I ended up getting a fucking goddamn anchor. It's in there now. I didn't buy a cleat though, which I probably should have. We're gonna see what's hiding in this pond or lake. I guess it's a lake, but all right, let's go. Should we throw? I don't really know what's over here. I bought some new things though. I bought a lipless crankbait that I'm gonna try. It's like $3. Isn't she pretty? A little bit of chrome on it. Water's a little choppy today too, just like yesterday. Just like that, we're golden. A fish is gonna want that. Tell you what. How are you supposed to fish this? You're supposed to jerk it? It's not too deep over here and there's not too many weeds, but there are some branches too. Like if you see over there, some branches. Now that I have a freaking anchor, I'm not moving. It's pretty legit. Let me double check the sound. I think we're good. I don't know if that's better. Change some settings. Hopefully the battery isn't an issue today, but it might be. Let's see what's over there. Oh, this anchor was such a good idea. I gotta get a bell shape though. I guess the weeds in this lake are like so notorious for people having to cut their anchors off. So it's actually an 8-pound instead of like, I think a kayak should be like 2. But this kayak, even though it was only $200, can hold quite a bit of weight. Some weeds in there, I think. Treble hooks are scary to me. Like I don't want to catch something on this. I mean, I bought pliers, so I should be good in that regard, but like the thought of taking something off and getting fucking hooked by a treble is kind of scary. I can't really finesse this thing. Come here. That's awkward. I bet there's something right there. I don't think I could throw this in there though. I know there's hella branches. As close as I'm willing to get. The water is choppy though, so something might want this. And all the wind's pushing in that back corner, so I figure there's be something over here. I don't know if I should jerk it or just swim it. I just put it right back in that weed I took off. This is like the end of spawn though, so I don't know how aggressive they're gonna be. They probably ate their fill already. Maybe I should throw a little jig on. I do love me a jig. I like this little guy. I'm gonna put it back on, but let's see what's happening with the jig. Well, that's my only other swim bait, but I'll leave you right there. I gotta get an actual tackle bag. Throw a blue guy with a little light blue. Looks like some nice colors to me. Little swim jig action. I think this was 1/4 ounce. I forget what brand these trailers are, but I like them. It's like little craws with a big ass claws. It's like almost the perfect size. You gotta break it a little bit, but like I would want that. You kidding me? Now, this is a 1/4 ounce, I believe, or like a 3/16. I don't know. Even 1/8, something like that. Yeah, it's good. Someone's gonna want this for sure. The water's not that hot. Maybe I should actually go in the corner. I'm gonna move. Let's see, Texas. Oh, maybe one of these bad boys. This could be good, right? Maybe a little brown and neon. Might be good. I'll have one of these ready just in case. Catch me a goddamn bluegill on this bad boy. Come on, bro. Let's have them ready. Like, I need storage right here, but whatever. This is good enough for now. Let's see how this anchor did. Maybe I'll catch a fish with the anchor. That's what I like about being a sit-in kayak, is I can like shove all this extra shit like under me or like next to me. Keep it safe. But all right, let's go over yonder. This looks like a nice little spot. Right here. I'm gonna try this other guy. before I fucking just throw a fluke on, catch them all. Call me Ash. Hopefully I don't need to throw a weight on this. I might have to. Oh, she's light. She's real light. Oh yeah, she might need a weight. Oh, maybe not. First cast magic, bro. First cast magic. Yeah. Come here. Come here. Stop being feisty. Oh, look at the belly on that little fucker. Damn, you're tiny, bro. You're a tiny little guy. Feisty. Let's see what's over here. Oh, what the fuck was that? Weird ass backlash. Oh yeah. Come on, you want it? You want it? Something was nibbling my tail. You want it, little guy? The water's so choppy I can't even like see my lure to know when to start breaking. I don't know what nibbled me. Come on, catch it, eat it. You want to slurp that thing up. Almost got a little backlash there. Oh, little nibble. Oh yeah. What are you? Little baby? That's a fucking catfish. Are you shitting my dick, bro? That's like the one thing I didn't want to catch. Stop it. Look at your stupid ass. Your stupid ass. Let's go catch something else other than a goddamn catfish, bro. Dude fucked up my worm. Like, this is why I gotta sit in kayak though. Like, I can put everything I want right here. I can pick my feet up, you know, chill. And, like, everything's not getting wet in there. Let's go on a little ride to the other side. We're off to see the wizard. I think the wind's dying down there. So it should be good. I'm not sure what's over here. I put my anchor down. This shit's like fucking 40 feet deep right here. Oh, fuck. That little guy. Yeah, get in here, fucking little piece of shit. Oh, and it's a crabby. Chill out. sharp. Hold up. I keep fucking looking them. Pretty little fucking crappie. Ugly looking. He's fast as hell. Okay, on to the next. Little perch, bro. I'm catching all the species today. Oh, we fucking got that good. Stupid ass perch. Fuck. Got me good. I've caught almost every species in here today. Oh, this is a better one. Come here. Come here. Simmer down, big fella. Oh, you got it. Damn, you a fatty, bro. And you bleeding. Yeah.